In this video, I'm gonna show you how to completely dominate affiliate marketing and make $1,000 plus. The best part about this method is that it's literally easily done. Even better, this isn't blogging or some long-term method that you have to take years to actually make money with, I promise. If you don't know who I am your go-to girl in affiliate marketing. I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I already love you. So, let's get into this video and not waste any more time, okay? Whew. All right, friends. This here is a free funnel builder that I personally am starting to like more and more. If you are a beginner, I'm telling you this is perfect for you because it's user-friendly, it's easy, and it's free. I personally know when you get started in all of this, you can be overwhelmed and you find out that you need software and that you need this. So if you're on a budget, this is so perfect for you. It's why I want to tell you about it. And before I go any further, don't worry about it. I have a link in the bio. It's my affiliate link, but you know what? Why not click on it? Because it's free. Okay, it does have everything you need. So it has a funnel builder, it has your autoresponder, you can create courses, I could go on and on. But if you're thinking, Shelly, how am I supposed to use this to actually make over $1,000 and even more? Well, I want to show you the system of how I can help you do this. Basically, as an affiliate marketer, our job is to have a product or software or whatever we are promoting and get it out there, right? So what I'm going to show you is how you can utilize this software to actually help you do just that. So in order to do this free, we're going to utilize social media. So on this map, we have TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and then I have a Facebook group, okay? Now you can use whatever you want. A lot of people are crushing it with like Pinterest, you know, or Instagram, whatever that you like, okay? So I'm just using this as an example. And right now I have TikTok in the front because people are crushing it too in TikTok. Like, I know tons of people that are huge and so successful that it's crazy. So a lot of times I'll take a TikTok, I'll see how good it does. It'll be like a certain topic. And then I'll make a YouTube video about it too. So I'll literally take this for granted because I will literally take a TikTok, then I'll do a YouTube, okay? And stop right there before we go here. That's why I made this easy. So on Instagram, you can do the same thing. There's sizes, like this is usually 1920 by 1080, don't quote me wrong. And then usually Instagram is square and then TikTok, you know, is horizontal. But you can also, I teach this too. You'd say you have a YouTube video and it does really good. Okay, a great example is I had a YouTube video about Walmart. It was like a Walmart affiliate. And then it done so good, it like blew up. And so I did a TikTok. The same thing. I was like, why pay money for Walmart when you can make money from Walmart or something like that? And so since the YouTube video blew up, TikTok did too. So what I'm saying is, as long as we can make the content, I mean, this is easy. I mean, you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars. You literally, you have to pick your niche or niche, however you want to say it, which mine is affiliate marketing. I mean, yours could be how to lose belly fat in, you know, health and wealth, which is really popular. But you use social media. You'll make a piece of content and then you'll put it out on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or whatever. Then, okay, we're gonna go to a lead magnet. And if you stay with me, I'm gonna show you how you can get a free lead magnet, okay? And what we're doing is we're making a connection. Okay. And plus, people don't want to buy from Tom or Joe if they don't know, or if they're not showing their face. But here Shelly is getting herself out there and she's volunteering to help people and she's letting you get to know her because there's video out on TikTok, there's video out on Instagram, on YouTube, on Pinterest. And they're like, oh, hey, they feel like they know me because they're like, oh, I know she's really into affiliate marketing. She likes cats. I know this. You know, they've reached out to me and I'll tell them and I'll help them. And I'm giving them tips and I'm telling them, you know, how they can make money online on these things. So they're more likely to make that connection with me. And then from that point, I have a Facebook group. And I'm like, well, go ahead and get in my Facebook group so then I can teach you some more stuff. We're also where I sell. A lot of people sell a whole lot more there in the Facebook group than I do. But then, you can go and make your main offer. Say I am promoting this huge affiliate marketing course. I can put it right here. And then the same as here, you have your lead magnet, and then you go into your main offer, which is usually like your affiliate offer. And that is going to be your affiliate offer is your main offer. Is this making sense? Do me a favor, if you're here with me, like the video and comment down below yes. Question is, are you ready to go farther down the rabbit hole? Okay, let's go. Now we have our social media, and a lot of people don't explain how that actually works, so I hope you understood that. And the opt-in, and then you have, if you want, you have a bridge page, and then here's your product and email. A lot of people are like, how are you really making money? And everybody will tell you, oh, it's on the back end. And 90% of the people do not understand what it's on the back end means. All that is email. And I'm sure you've heard money is in the list. Well, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with that, because money is in the list, but you have to do it. And tons of people's like, I don't want to do it, or they won't sell or even teach. You have to do both. It's a mixture. And I'm going to tell you all of this. I'm going to go further. But once you go through this, the main important thing in affiliate marketing is getting that email address. You want their email. Okay, don't ask them for the phone number. I mean, you can do things with that and stuff later on down the line, but it's easier to get someone to just get in. You can just give them their email address, but certain softwares like I use, the name helps out. So I ask for the name and the email address. So as soon as if they're opt-in, okay, it's called a landing page. And once you land on that landing page, then they're gonna get their name and their email address. And then, like I said, then you're gonna go to the product, which is, if you're an affiliate marketer like me, then it's gonna be the affiliate offer. And they are probably not gonna do it. They're just gonna be like, whatever. But it takes like 6 to 7 times for someone to see something to actually buy it or take you serious. And that's where you're here. So I'm gonna tell you how to do this. In the email, okay, your autoresponder. And guess what? The software that we are talking about, System.io, has a built-in autoresponder, and most don't. So you have the email. So as soon as someone signs up, you send them an email. Hey, thanks. Great that you're on my list. I'm going to teach you some stuff and help you out. So you're going to send them emails on what you're promoting. So, even the main thing that you promote, you're going to talk about it in your emails. But you're also, you're not just about selling. You really want to help people. So you give them something that can actually help them. Teach them something. Give them some tips. Tell them about free software they can use for their business. And so that's how you're going to use your email list, okay? Now, this here is either, some people call it the squeeze page. I personally call it the landing page because I've been around forever and it's always been called landing page to me. So this is what I have. You make it something. I've made this in another video for an example. And you're just simple, something simple. It doesn't have to be all chaotic and cluttered, which you don't want to do that anyways. And then you have your name and your email address, and then download. And this is something that I'm giving away for free. So a good thing how to get people in is to give them something free, like a lead magnet. Or if there's, say, a lot of courses have like a little example or a mini course, and you can be like, well, I'm giving you this mini course or this example, or there's books. People will give you ebooks, all kinds of stuff for free, and then that's what you want. Then you're getting their email address, and that could be it. That could just be the end of your funnel. But then you can have the other funnel where you have your lead magnet, and then it goes next to your affiliate offer. The second page, or the second part in a funnel, is usually always called the thank you page. And that is the page where usually you can do like a bridge page, which makes it an extra step into between the two. But what I usually do is I'll put a picture of me or a small video at the top and says, hey, this is, and I let them know what they're fixing to get into. This is my coach that I'm with, or this is the product, blah, blah, blah. And then you, just like if you're just gonna do a lead magnet and give it to them to get their email address, then you just say, hey, thanks. And then you would create a box right here and about the product, and then say, go here for more. And then like usually I'll have my video, and then I'll have the link and say, to continue or to rake in the money or whatever. And then you'll have that link that'll then go to your affiliate link. Now remember, I said once we have, our opt-in and then we go to our page, then we're gonna go back with our emails. Well, the good thing about System.io, it has built-in autoresponder. Now, tons of them do not. There's so much software out there, but this one has everything built in, and it has, you have your funnels and your emails. You can create blogs, and they're pretty simple and really easy to use, where, a lot of other software is more expensive, so they're more complex. So you have to learn a whole lot more. So, I mean, there's a little good and bad. It doesn't have some of the extra perks that other software does, but you don't need them. You don't need them. I mean, I went in and I built blogs. This is my test account, and it's really easy, and it's kind of fun. And like I said, you have your autoresponder. You can even go in, and I've played with this too. You can create courses, and if you want to be an affiliate for System.io, well, I mean, if you're an affiliate marketer, why not? You're going to use the software. It has its own affiliate program too. Okay, now I'm providing you with the free tools that you need. Okay, this software has like 9 tools in one. All you have to do is make the content. And if you're like, oh my gosh, Shelly, that's the part that scares me. Okay, I was talking about TikTok. You literally, you're gonna have your phone. You can be like, blah, blah, blah. Like, you just learned something in this video. You can make so many TikToks about what you just learned in this video. And then you have YouTube. You can do the exact same thing. And you know what people don't do is people want to follow someone's path. They want to follow someone that's literally like a couple steps in front of them. Sometimes you don't want to follow someone that, I mean, I've been doing this for years, and people probably like, well, she's probably too far advanced. I need someone that's just been a couple steps ahead. So learning from someone that's just a little bit ahead of you, they want to do. So you get on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, and you just tell and talk about what you've learned. And the other person behind you wants to watch that. And you just keep going and going and going. And the more you learn, the more you talk about, the more you teach. It's that easy, guys. And then you just put it out for the world to see. It's as simple as that. And I showed you, I got on here how you to build a funnel. Actually, I showed you what a funnel looks like. I'll put another video up here that shows you how to use System.io. Shows you even the blogs and everything. It's a full video. So watch that after this video. Now let me make this even easier for you. Let me give you the free lead magnet. Okay, you want to go to buyqualityplr.com. Now, when it comes to lead magnets, I talk about this site a lot because I used it, especially in the beginning. I used it a lot. There's free. If you go here and you go to free PLR. Okay, we got self-help, nutrition, you can look through it, find, I mean, you can go through all of this if you want and find your niche. And what I do is I never usually leave it exactly like it is. I go ahead and I make it even nicer and add to it and prettier and change it up. And then I'll use that as a free lead magnet. And if you wanted to go a step further, they do have stuff that you can buy for like $5. So even if you did spend some money on here, I mean, $5 to get thousands of email addresses coming in, so you can make over $1,000 in affiliate marketing and totally dominate affiliate marketing. Yeah. Now, if you want to try this software out, I'll have a link in the description, and I'm working on a course. So if you sign up for it, go ahead and email me at shelly@shellyhopkins.com and let me know that you've signed up, because I'm going to give you that free course. Because I have the full video, but I can only cover so much, and I went in depth, but I want to tell you everything about System.io. Now, I have tried to provide as much as I can in this video, but if you want to take affiliate marketing a step farther and you want to go even deeper in the rabbit hole, then I'm going to leave a link down below as well. So it's like my #1 recommended thing to do. So go ahead and click on it, check it out, and you think this is something, you're gonna learn so much more, I promise. And if you did learn anything from this video, do me a favor and give it a like. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, I know you liked this video. Tell you what, I'll go ahead and I will put the next video up, and I'll do the full video that I was telling you about with System.io. And I'll see you in there, because I'm in there. Ah!